What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video, and today we're going to Z1 for two of our boys getting tuned on Boost. One is driving a 350Z and the other is driving a G35, so we're going to go ahead and look at their single turbo build, see what power numbers they make, and I just hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button for more content like this, and hit a like if you enjoyed the video at the end of the day. You can probably tell that I sound a little druggish. I just woke up. It's kind of early for me. I just got off work yesterday, so yeah. Hopefully this all clears up and the sun knocks the wind out of me to wake me back up. But let's see how bright it is. We get today started. And what other car to go to Z1 in but the 350Z? All right, come on. Let's go ahead and let's get active today, man. Let's start this car, let that bad boy warm up. Alright guys, we are here. Ooh. Who is that? Is that Noah's car getting ready to get tuned? But yes sir, we are here. I'm about to go walk in. Gotta wear a mask to get inside. So let's do it. We are at Z1 though. Ace's first official pool. How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling?
I don't want it.
I don't want it.
I don't want it.
Ooh. I had him out here stealing specs. Bad boy. My old camera for sale. I already sold it. Terrence bought it. Whoa, the action. Look at the specs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it up to us to adjust the wall valve, or does he do that too? I have no idea. If I told him.
We went and took a break outside to look at some wonderful cars. Here go Adam's car right here. Looking clean as usual. Noah's car hasn't got tuned yet. Man, it's on the floor. Noah's on the floor. Got Miguel's car right here. Oh snap. What happened to the other wheels? Took them off?
Yeah. He's tired.
Oh, true.
He's loud though.
Yes, I love coming here. It's hot. I'm hungry. I don't even know if y'all can hear me because I have this mask on. Oh, let me take this off, man. Oh my God, it's hot. Yeah, I'm ready.
What's up, guys? So make sure to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode where we go to Mexico.
Alright, we did run into a couple issues, but we pretty much have found a solution. The car's boost controller wasn't calibrated correctly, so it wasn't calibrated, so it was only making about 6 pounds of boost, so they couldn't amp it up or figure out what was going on. But now that they have that being fixed at the moment, as you can see on the screen, we're gonna see how much power we make. My baby Ace's car. We're working on the boost controller. We ended up having to ditch. The boost controller that we had because it wasn't doing the job properly. It was either over boosting or boost cutting. So now we just bought one from Z1, and we're gonna go ahead and see if we can strap it back on the dyno and finish that. Unfortunately, it seems slim that we'll get Noah's car on the dyno today, but we'll be able to at least finish the 350. I'm sorry, it's loud. All right, car is done. It made 420 wheel horsepower on the dyno on the high end. They're about to go ahead and go test drive it. Let's see what we make. I'm gonna give Adam the camera.
Okay, I didn't expect it. Okay, you hear like 400 wheel. What I'm saying, this thing pulls.
She pulls.
She pulls.
All right, JDM, that dude, we're live.
We're live. subscribe,
Comment.
comment.
Oh my god!
That was 80.
That's freaking awesome. Dude, that's freaking sweet.
To me, that doesn't freaking.
Oh, dude, that's. Oh my god. Yes, sir.
So you need some tires.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. Tune came out successful. Ace is finna go home. Adam as well. I'm probably gonna see if we can find somewhere to eat, but yeah, today went really well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Jesus Christ.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end.